When you think of jobs AI might replace, you probably imagine factory work or maybe customer service. But what about lawyers, one of the oldest and most respected professions in the world? It might sound crazy, but the legal world is already feeling the shockwaves of artificial intelligence. In this video, we're breaking down how AI is challenging traditional law practices. Let's dive in. 1. How AI is already being used in law. AI isn't coming to the legal industry, it's already here. Today, AI tools are actively helping with contract review and analysis, legal research, drafting documents, predicting case outcomes, managing discovery in litigation. Platforms like Do Not Pay have even allowed consumers to contest parking tickets and small claims lawsuits without ever speaking to a human lawyer. Meanwhile, companies like Casetext and Ross Intelligence are providing AI-driven legal research that's faster and often more accurate than traditional manual methods. Tasks that used to take junior associates days to complete can now be done in minutes by AI. 2. Why AI excels at certain legal tasks. Law, at its core, involves massive amounts of information: statutes, precedents, contracts, filings. AI thrives on structured data like this. Unlike humans, AI can analyze millions of documents almost instantly, spot patterns and anomalies that a human might miss, stay constantly updated with new laws and rulings without needing training, work 24/7 without fatigue or bias for highly repetitive and document-heavy tasks. AI doesn't just match human performance, it often exceeds it. That's why firms are increasingly using AI for discovery, contract analysis, and risk assessment. It saves time, reduces human error, and cuts costs dramatically. 3. What AI still can't do and why it matters. However, AI has serious limitations when it comes to being a true lawyer. Law isn't just about facts and documents, it's about judgment, ethics, and persuasion. AI still struggles with nuanced interpretation of ambiguous laws, building trust and emotional rapport with clients, arguing creatively in front of a judge or jury, advising clients based on unique life circumstances, handling ethical considerations and moral gray areas. A great lawyer doesn't just know the law, they understand people. They can tailor arguments based on emotion, intuition, and real-world experience, things that AI, at least for now, simply cannot replicate. 4. The realistic future. Collaboration, not replacement. Rather than replacing lawyers, AI is likely to reshape the profession. In the near future, the best lawyers won't be the ones who memorize statutes. They'll be the ones who leverage AI tools to work faster and smarter, focus more on strategy and client relationships, deliver higher value services at lower costs. AI will handle the tedious, time-consuming parts of legal work, freeing up human lawyers to focus on areas where empathy, creativity, and judgment are essential. In fact, new legal roles are already emerging, like legal technologists and AI compliance specialists, blending law with technology expertise. Lawyers who embrace AI will have a massive advantage over those who don't. 5. How the legal industry is reacting. Some law firms are racing to adopt AI, seeing it as a tool for growth and efficiency. Others are wary, concerned about job losses, ethical challenges, and the potential for mistakes. Bar associations and regulatory bodies are starting to step in too, drafting guidelines for how AI can be ethically integrated into legal practice. Meanwhile, law schools are beginning to teach courses not just on legal theory, but on legal tech and AI literacy. The message is clear: change is coming, and those who prepare will thrive, while those who resist risk falling behind. 6. Big challenges ahead for AI in law. Even as AI improves, big challenges remain. Bias in data. AI trained on biased legal outcomes could perpetuate injustice. Accountability. If AI makes a wrong decision, who's responsible? Many clients still prefer human counsel, especially in sensitive matters. How do we ensure AI respects confidentiality, privilege, and professional standards? Until these challenges are fully addressed, AI will likely remain a tool, not a replacement, in the legal world. So can AI replace lawyers? For some tasks, absolutely. AI is already faster, cheaper, and sometimes more accurate than junior lawyers for things like research and document review. But when it comes to strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, and human advocacy, AI still falls short and likely will for a long time. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.